Corner cat litter box provides plenty of space for your kitty and maximizes space. High sides of the cat box keeps litter and spray contained. Curved sides and included scoop make cleaning out the corner litter pan simple. Also available with cat litter box lid. Entire dimensions, 20.75 width by 16.25 depth by 7.50 height, widest point. Make your space work for you and your cat. This angled cat litter box is designed to live neatly into a corner, while still providing plentiful room for your kitty to take care of business. The high sides help keep litter and spray contained, and the curved bottom makes scooping it clean with the included scoop simple. Available in multiple styles and colors. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. High sides. Tall on all four sides for those who like to dig and scatter litter. I have 5 cats and one cat in particular loves to scatter as far and wide as possible. The tall sides help eliminate extra cleanup around pan. All of our pans are tall, but a couple have one low side which I do not recommend. Rest assured, as long as your cat has no mobility problems, your cat can jump in and out of the pan. Highly recommend.